In this Device Doctor video, we'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi on the Epson L8180 connect it to your phone and print easily. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Power on the printer and allow it to fully start up. Wait until the printer enters its ready mode, indicating it's prepared for setup and ready to be connected. Once the printer is ready, tap the Wi-Fi icon at the top of the screen. You will then see two options. The first option connects the printer's Wi-Fi to your router, while the second option, Wi-Fi Direct, connects the printer's Wi-Fi directly to your phone's Wi-Fi. Now that the printer's Wi-Fi is turned on, to find the name and password, tap the icon at the top of the screen that I will point to. As you can see, in this section, you can customize the Wi-Fi name and password to your preference. You also have the option to disable the Wi-Fi if you no longer need it. To view the printer's password, click on the Change Password option. You'll be able to see the printer's Wi-Fi password at the top of the screen. Now, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, where you will see the printer's name listed. Enter the password displayed on the printer screen to connect your phone to the printer. Once connected, you can easily start printing from your phone. Now that your phone is successfully connected to the printer, you can easily print any document or photo. As demonstrated in the image, we're printing a photo from the Device Doctor YouTube channel. This simple process allows you to print quickly and efficiently from your phone, making it more convenient than ever. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or need assistance with this printer or any other model, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to assist you as soon as possible.